Good morning, Kentucky. Meteorologist-Dillon-Gaudet here. We have several severe thunderstorm warnings across the region for your morning hours today. We have two distinct areas that we're watching. One is a cluster of storms east of Lexington, parallel to I-64 and US 60, stretching through Montgomery, Rowan County, southern Fleming County as well. Those areas could see some rotation and then the potential for some damaging wind gusts. Then a squall line has formed really within the last hour, stretching from Georgetown all the way south and west. So this is, I believe, the third or fourth different severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County just within the last 2 hours. So yes, it has been very active. I first want to show you this warning because it is through 7:30, but it's likely outracing the warning itself. See a lot of lightning with this, just this view right here, nearly 500 lightning strikes. So Harrodsburg into Mercer County, Danville into Boyle County. Those two areas have yet to really see any action so far today. But this storm not only has the straight line wind gust, but embedded within this line, there is some rotation once again. It's not strong, but it's something that could produce a quick spin up. This area is really susceptible to that. Mercer County down towards Boyle County. That's where we'll be watching for that. I want to take a closer look at our rotation detector. The green shows moderate, weak to moderate rotation. As you get closer to red and eventually yellow, that's where you likely see the potential for a tornado to form. We're not seeing much of that right now, but you can see different areas with some green embedded within that, like the area that's right there to the northeast of Springfield, getting ready to move into far western Mercer County. As that moves eastward, it's going to be making a beeline right for the Harrodsburg area. So again, we've been mentioning this for the Lexington area. If you can delay that morning commute 30 minutes to an hour into Mercer County, that'd be your best bet because this is a strong storm, damaging wind gusts. There have been power outages reported as this line has pushed on through, and damaging wind gust reports with this line as you head further towards the west near the Bardstown area. That also includes Boyle County as well, so we're going to continue to monitor that part of the storm. And then also the different clusters of potential rotation in the area parallel to I-64. So it does include Rowan County there, Moorhead. You have a severe thunderstorm warning continuing for you. You can see that little notch there towards the end. That's moving almost right over top of I-64. That's going to continue to travel east-northeast. So Moorhead, be alert for that. You could see some rotation there. This is making for very, very difficult conditions along I-64 or just north of I-64 towards US 60. Between Carlisle and Mount Sterling, another area concern there. A lot of lightning, potential for some hail, rotation with that. Our rotation detector for that cluster not showing quite as much rotation, but still something that we are going to be watching. These storms have had a history of producing hail. We've had upwards of an inch to inch plus hail reports, with the largest being in the Anderson County right at 1 inch. So as you put the radar in motion, you can see this line moving eastward 60 to 70 miles per hour. That'll eventually be moving into Jessamine County. You've yet to really see the strongest of the storms yet. This will be impacting you. Wilmore, Nicholasville, you're going to see that strongest part of the storm. Notice how the lightning kind of clustered right along that area that we were watching for the rotation potential. That's what our main concern is here with this system. We also have some strong wind gusts just out ahead of the line. But notice the gust in Frankfort, 48. That's that line of storms that push on through. So that's where we had that 48-mile-an-hour wind gust. 22 miles per hour in Danville right now, but that's likely going to be increasing as that line pushes eastward. And it's very warm out ahead of the line itself as well. Those temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to the mid 60s there towards the east. Notice though, the colder air is getting ready to move in from the north and the west. So that's going to be dropping our temperatures from the mid 60s right now to the mid 30s for the afternoon. And it's going to be feeling much colder than that once you factor in those stronger winds. So give you a little bit of an hour by hour through the remainder of the day. Storm threat's going to last through the morning hours here in central Kentucky, through the mid to late morning hours out east. But watch as those temperatures bottom out. Mid 30s possible for your commute home. After dark tonight, we're going to fall below freezing into the low to mid 20s. So you can stay with the ABC 36 Storm Team all morning long. We'll be providing updates for you really by the minute on air and on our social media and our website. Meteorologist Jordan Smith's been here since 11:30 last night providing updates on our social media. So stay with us. More Good Morning Kentucky coming up right after the break.